Be ready? Start. Learned counsel for the appellant has placed reliance upon the division bench judgment of this court passed in the case of Vivek Yadav versus State of UP and others 2010 7 ADJ 1 stop, referring to the UP recruitment of dependents of government servants dying in harness rules 1974 rule 5. This court has held that taking into consideration that the mother of appellant was illiterate, appellant was minor, though the elder son and there were elder sisters stop. The proviso to Rule 5 provides that it must normally be exercised as for the purpose of dealing with the cases in a just and equitable manner. Stop. Looking into the facts of the case, the division bench held that the appellant had made out a case for invocation of the power is vested in the authority to waive the time for moving the application. Stop. The impugned order of the single judge was set aside and relaxation was given. Stopera. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the respondent referring to a full bench judgment of this court in the case of Shiv Kumar Dubey versus State of UP and others reported in AIR 2015 Allahabad 47, wherein certain guidelines have been laid down by this court and any relaxation cannot be granted or extended. Stop. It is also to contend that the provisions for grant of compassionate appointment do not constitute a reservation of a post in favor of a member of the family of the deceased employee. Stop. Hence, there is no general right which can be asserted to the effect that a member of the family who was a minor at a time of death would be entitled to claim compassionate appointment after attaining majority. Stop. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the respondent sought to contend that no error was committed by the learned single judge in rejecting the application for compassionate appointment. Stop. Para. Having heard learned counsel for the respective parties and also having noted the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Vijay Ukarda Ether versus State of Maharashtra reported in 2015 3 as CC 399, wherein law has been laid down with respect to need for proper consideration of facts and applicable norms including changed norms. Stop. In para 11 of the said judgment, the Honorable Apex Court has noted that the appellant is the daughter through the first wife and respondent number 3 is the son through the second wife of the deceased who died on 18th June 1997. Stop. Appellant's mother submitted application on 29th December 1997 stating that her daughter, that is appellant who is aged 17 years and then a minor studying in 10th standard, should be given compassionate appointment when she attains majority. Stop. According to the appellant, after she attained majority, she has submitted another application dated 19th March 1998 seeking compassionate appointment. Thereafter, the appellant was married in the year 2009. Stop. This factual situation of the matter was considered and the matter was remitted back to be considered afresh. Stop. The fact in the said rulings provide therein that till the age of attaining majority by the minor dependent, the time is relaxed to submit an application stop.